I'm gonna wait until you're like officially live. All right.
All right, chat. Testing, testing. One, two, three. I believe we should be live right now. What's up, guys? Hey,
What's
Luca.
up,
Hey,
chat?
William. I got my friend Silas from school helping out today.
Yo.
First time on the stream, I believe. Today's a big risk. This is one of our most risk of tornadoes I ever experienced, to be honest. There's a 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale, mainly driven by a 45 significant chance of damaging winds, but there is a 5% chance of tornadoes, which is really rare for the area. A big expansive risk all the way up to Rochester, majority of Pennsylvania, all New Jersey, all pretty much all of Long Island, New York, Staten Island. But the main target risk is going to be in this kind of yellowish, goldish. This is your hatch risk, which is your SIG risk, which possibly have EF2 tornadoes or more, 5% chance of it happening. See, we live in Staten Island, Silas. Look, it's pretty much in the bullseye of this.
Yes, it's gonna be pretty major because we
Yep.
don't experience this a lot in the Northeast.
Sure, like earlier there was a few more like bust factors, but now looking at the ingredients, they're really starting to get us stuff together. For example, guys, the Cape was like nothing earlier when we had those rain. Now it's about 1,500. We need about 1,000 to sustain severe weather. Also, your
Yeah.
significant tornado parameter is starting to go up as well. And your supercell composite is very high as well.
Yeah,
So let's
Cape
start.
is a perfect ingredient for storms.
Yep,
Cape
one
can
of the
strengthen
major.
storms.
Yep. By the way, guys, if you guys are wondering, we don't yet have a tornado watch in effect, but we should get a tornado watch. I would say, Silas, what do you think? Within the next hour, probably hour and 10 minutes, something like that.
I would say the next tornado watch might be around 2 to 3 hours, to be
Yeah,
realistic.
yeah, probably 2 hours. You want to know why? There's not even a meso discussion to say. You know how they give the odds of a watch before they issue it?
Yes.
They didn't even issue that yet, so we have some time. And guys, these are the storms we really have to watch out. You see these storms in central Pennsylvania, these discrete supercells. These are the storms that are going to be heading into the Jersey area. Right now, their ingredients is pretty good, Silas, in this area, but it's not ideal. Where we are is where it's ideal. All of Jersey, parts of New York City. So they're going to start to mature as they push east.
Yep, exactly. And right now, the reason why the tornado watch is not issue because the skies is clear in my area and there's people outside. So
Yep.
there is calming right now, but it's the calm before the storm.
Yep. It's actually worse when you think about that it's calm right now because those ingredients are gonna really start to set up.
Yeah, a process of a tornado is very complicated. It's not easy as you think. You
Someone
don't get a lot of
reported a
tornadoes.
torn someone reported a tornado earlier near Somerville. If you look at my share screen.
Well, they better update that
It's no longer on the
watch.
ground, but it was. Yeah, look, I'm not surprised why if it was on the ground earlier. Right now, you see no more rotation, Silas. I mean, a little bit, but it's not strong. This thing we likely already had one tornado already in central Pennsylvania, and this isn't even the area for the prime ingredients, which is kind of concerning.
I would
But
measure most of these scenarios
yeah,
as EF1s. EF1s, weak
yeah,
EF1s,
probably,
EF0s, because they're not touching the ground fully in some
yeah.
places.
We really can't rate it until we get the damage, though, like a few days later.
Yeah.
But we'll see how it goes. And Silas, if you look at like my screen and the radar, all these storms have a little bit of isolated rotation. Not really enough to get tornado warned yet, but in the future,
Hmm.
we have to watch out. And guys, I always like to say there's a chance we don't get anything. There's a chance we get zero action, but it's looking likely we're going to get something. We don't know if it's a tornado warning, but we're likely going to get a storm of some sort tonight.
Anything could change. Anything could be possible.
Yep.
Just be aware of the weather. Just like look at the
Yeah, your
radar, look at
phone,
the
yeah.
watches. Yeah, just be aware.
Yep, and I want to give you guys a little bit of some history. The last time we actually had a tornado watch in Staten Island was 2021, and the last time we actually had a tornado warning in Staten Island was 2019. So it's been a minute for either one of those.
Yeah, it's been a few years.
Dude, we had so many occurrences though when the watch was like one county. You see how the watch is only one county? There was so many occurrences of this.
Yes.
But the thing is, majority of the area that the New York National Weather Service covers is under that 5%. So that's why they're going to issue a watch likely. If they don't issue a watch, I'm going to be really in shock.
Yeah. Even if it's a tornado that hits New York City, it would probably be like an EF0, EF1, but it's not
Yeah,
it's not something catastrophic. It's just not we're not exaggerating this. It's just like
yeah,
it's just a potential of tornadoes.
yeah. Because right now there's not even one tornadic storm in Jersey, guys. So you guys are good for now. I mean, there is. Let me actually check out these. You see these showers near Philadelphia? I'm gonna check up on that. Just see if there's any rotation. I don't know
A
why.
new flash flood warning has been
I don't
issued.
know why there's still flash flood warnings here. They should be expired by now, but that's fine.
I think they're dealing with drainage issues with the sewers, like drainage issues.
Yeah, you see, these are the storms from earlier. They're moving out. See, look, this storm I'm watching out for. Eventually, you see this discrete storm, Silas, near Westchester, Pennsylvania,
Yep.
pushing near Philadelphia. Eventually, these are the
That
ones
can
we
form
have to watch out. Yeah.
that can form into something.
Right now, it's not impressive, but that's what always happens. These storms start off as pretty much nothing, and then eventually they get themselves together.
Yeah. I wouldn't recommend on being outside after like 7 to like 8
For
p.m.
yeah,
Right now you can go outside if you want to, but just gotta be aware.
I would say the risk really starts from 7 to 10 is gonna probably be the biggest risk of a tornado.
So yeah, this is gonna be like an evening thing. It's gonna happen during the night, which is pretty scary sometimes.
Yeah, which is one of the worst things that could happen.
But you just have to be in shelter. That's all you have to be. Just be in shelter, and you'll be all right. Just nothing bad.
How fast are these storms moving in Pennsylvania? Moving at 30. All right, not that fast, not that slow, kind of in the middle. Someone said I have to go somewhere at 11. Do you think it's gonna be finished? It really depends, honestly, because I feel like, Sauce, I feel like the event's kind of getting almost more delayed. You remember, kind of. So we
Yes,
gotta
yeah.
say,
We both thought it was gonna be like earlier, but no, it's like more
yeah,
later, and that's what's weird about these storms. They're very unpredictable. It's hard to track these type of storms, especially in the East Coast. You know,
yeah. East Coast is like one of the hardest places to forecast anything.
anything could happen, like I said. But I think all the storms will be gone by 11 p.m.
Yeah, should be gone. Thing is, like we thought they were gonna issue a watch by now, and they didn't. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, but see what happens.
I'm gonna pull up
A new flash flood warning has been
the
issued.
photographs because I think that would be pretty necessary. I think that would be pretty necessary if we pull up these photographs. You see, like in the Newark radar site, it has a curvature. That's not good, you guys, because that could indicate the ingredients are good for some severe weather or potentially some tornadic weather. You just gotta hope like the storms don't look like this tonight with that curve.
Yeah, that would be a horrible situation because now your areas will be prone to tornadic activity.
Yep.
So watch those areas for tornadic activity.
And then let's go on the meso analysis again. So we can see like the let's see this, yeah, supercell composites freaking almost 16 now. So that everything's increasing, honestly.
Yes, very crazy event. Plus, it's mixed with the wildfire smoke, so it's pretty crazy. Think about all this
Yeah, look at
happening
that.
now.
Look at that significant tornado parameter. It's starting to move up towards our area. So it's
Yes,
almost
it's
like
only gonna
as
get
these,
worse.
so it's like as these storms are coming later, it's actually worse because the environment's getting more and more primed and fuel.
Chris, what is the temperature dew point right now?
Dew point, dew
The dew
point,
point.
78 right now.
That's very high. That's very
Actually,
high.
never. Actually, wrong thing. Wait,
No,
no, yes, oh yeah, 78. It's right aligned with the temperature.
that's pretty
That's
high.
82 dew point in Philadelphia. Holy wow.
That's not good.
As of now, I would say my hot spot for tornadic activity is near Point Pleasant, Jersey Shore. I would say even up towards Staten Island, New York City. I'm starting to get more concerned as the hour goes on, to be honest.
If the temperature matches with the dew point, then that means that there's going to be a high chance for storms and devastating
Yep.
winds, some heavy rain, some isolated thunderstorms, and a lot of things like hail. Maybe a little bit of hail, but we rarely get that though.
Yeah. Hail is actually the lowest. It's only a 5% chance. Wind's still the main target tonight.
We probably might expect like 70 to 85 mile per hour gusts of winds.
Yep. I am concerned for these storms, unfortunately, because that significant tornado parameters is starting to push north, unfortunately.
Yes,
Oh, look, even the violent tornado parameter is starting to push north. You
that's
see,
that's horrible.
you see on my screen, look, oh, a 7
A
in
new
central
flash
New
flood warning has been
Jersey.
issued.
Yeah, New Jersey
And
has to be prepared.
look, we're right on the cutoff, but I think it's going to push north, unfortunately.
There might be a chance for tornadoes on Long Island, I think,
Yeah,
if
there's
it
even a
pushes up
chance
north.
there, yeah. Yeah, the violent tornado parameter. Yeah, yeah, this is gonna be the hot spot right here. Central New Jersey. That's where I believe. What about you, Silas?
I believe, yes, central New Jersey and the South New Jersey. This is basically central New Jersey at this point. Yeah.
Yeah, basically. We're even cutting it close. I don't think we're gonna get the worst activity, but we're getting close, unfortunately. Especially the latest parameters.
Yep.
This is the normal. Yeah, this is the normal significant. This is the normal significant tornado parameter. Yeah, fours. Yeah, fours is pretty. Oh yeah, we're very close to that two zone now. So it's, and this is a significant tornado. It's not just regular ones. So this is more of a problem now.
Yeah, it's gonna push out, and then we're gonna be in the risk, and it's gonna be a lot of things going on. A lot of things going on.
Yeah,
This is a very unusual event. This is abnormal at this point. It's very abnormal for tornadoes to be in this location. They're usually in the
yeah.
Midwest, in the South, but in the East Coast though, in the Northwest, no, not Northwest. I mean, yeah,
Northeast.
yeah, East, yes. It's not normal. What's that noise?
Yeah, I'm concerned for this whole event, to be honest, because it's just like this app takes a little bit of update, but soon we should get a new scan of like the meso analysis and stuff.
Yeah, I'm actually shocked that this happened. It's like near my location, and it's like concerning. It's concerning.
Yeah. You see how this website updates faster than this website?
It's a little bit slow.
This website's a little slow just for the meso analysis, but you can kind of zoom in and see more detail than this one. You know what I'm saying?
I know.
But we should be in the twos now for significant tornado parameter.
Yep.
I don't remember significant tornado parameters that high in our area.
We all gotta hope for the best.
Yep. Would you say you're getting nervous for this event?
Would I get? Nah, I don't think we'll be nervous for this
I'm more
event. For this
excited,
event.
to be honest. I'm more excited just to see what's gonna happen, you know?
I'm shocked. I'm actually shocked.
I didn't expect this, to be honest.
I was just expecting some heavy winds and rain, and that's it. Not a damn tornado.
Yeah, there's a chance. Even the damaging winds are looking high as well.
Is there anywhere in the United States of America that there's gonna be a chance for tornadoes anywhere?
For real? Wow, England's beating France 2-0 in the World Cup. Third place
Yeah,
game.
England's gonna win.
Yep. Ooh, that area is starting to strengthen with rotation
Is that in
near
Pennsylvania?
yeah, Loganton, Pennsylvania, central Pennsylvania. So we have to watch out for that. What if all the storms go north and south of us today?
What? Then we have to track them somewhere else.
True. Because we don't want strong tornadoes.
A new PDS severe thunderstorm warning has been
Maybe
issued.
you secretly do. Maybe.
Maybe. We just don't want people to get hurt, though. That's the thing, you know?
Yeah, I like to see one in real time, but when it hurts people, like nah.
Then that's when it becomes not good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still watching some Iceland rotation. Right now, we have one tornado warning in effect right now. 31 severe thunderstorm warnings across the U.S.
It's all scattered out.
When do you think they're gonna issue the mesoscale discussion to say the odds of the watch being issued in our area?
I would say they'd be around
A new flash flood warning has
7:45
been
p.m.
issued.
It really depends how the risk is gonna unfold. You know, like if it's getting closer, then they're gonna issue it earlier.
I'm just guessing, but that's around the night almost when the sun is going down.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be more of a nocturnal event now. Honestly, it's just playing out that way. As these storms move, it's gonna get unfortunately concerning. There's a destructive severe thunderstorm warning in Delaware right now. What
Yeah,
time?
today.
So what's that? What time in the chat?
hmm, Today it was a lot of thunder activity, like a lot of it. You could like hear it just booming around earlier during the morning.
Yeah, that was the strong
In the middle
morning.
of the
That was
day,
strong. Yeah, that was strong for morning convection. Honestly.
it was pretty strong.
Yeah, I'm watching out. Yeah, this rotation started. They're probably gonna tornado warn the storm near Loganton very soon. I'm gonna take a look at the models just to see if they the updated things, if they're really if we're even yeah, they're see look, they're showing a little bit of a discrete cell here.
Yeah, see like the cells popping up.
I don't know if they're showing it just go north of us. You see how it changes every model run.
Mhm.
I feel like the models aren't as accurate now, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they're not accurate. Not all models are accurate. They're not gonna correlate with each other all the time.
Because look, let's go on the live radar. I'm just gonna see if it even looks similar. Not really, see? It looks pretty different. So
Yep.
who knows if this is even accurate? You know what? Let's take a look at the RFS model. This model is sometimes a little more aggressive, you know?
Wow. Okay,
This
that
mo
is different.
Yeah, see, this model is it's size. This model tends to be a little more aggressive, but it was accurate the last severe weather event we had.
Like
Like,
he
like, like,
like
like you want to say it?
yeah, we wind it. Like okay.
The thing is, I don't know if this is accurate. 'Cause look, this is 5 p.m. Yeah, it doesn't really look that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Maybe the event's just delayed. Maybe. Yeah.
possibly.
Wait. Yeah, this is not accurate. One of the why, because look, they're showing us getting hit at 6 p.m. No way we're getting hit in a half an hour. There's not even one storm near us. So it's gonna be
It's so
honestly, it's gonna be interesting. This is one of those confusing events to forecast.
yeah, it's so strange. I hear thunder in the background.
That's
Like
weird.
thunder. There's like clouds nearby.
It's probably this storm. You see this storm off the coast?
There was a lot of thunder and lightning activity.
Yeah, who knows if watch us not get anything.
Let's see. Time is uncertain.
And then everyone calls me a liar.
Nah, people who call you liar, they're probably uneducated and don't know the weather like that, like we do.
Yeah, because I mean, the risk is there. You know, the ingredients are there.
Yeah, people just have to pay attention more. You know.
Yeah, you just have to wait if the storms interact with the ingredients. That's the biggest question.
Yeah, just be weather aware.
Yep.
That's the best
Chris,
thing you could do.
someone said, Chris, what's the percentage for a tornado at Staten Island right now? 5% for an actual tornado. Tornado warning could be higher though. It depends if the storms come, or have rotation. But it's really a 5% chance we were gonna actually see a tornado, which is
Yes,
really low when you think about it.
but it's very rare.
Yeah, the risk is there. Not much is really going on right now. Dude, that would be crazy if they don't issue a tornado watch today.
Hey, Chris, is there any other tornadoes that you can examine?
Or like on this app.
Yeah, like besides us getting hit by one, is there any area of the U.S. is getting affected by another tornado?
No, it's really only the Northeast, Pennsylvania, upstate New York, potential, Connecticut a little, maybe a little. Yeah, but there's severe weather in I think that's Montana, I'm pretty
Yeah, it's
sure.
Montana. Yeah.
Yeah, just a 2 out of 5 for some damaging winds potentially. 0% tornadoes.
Yeah, this is the major event right here. We're in it.
On my other monitor, I'm gonna check Twitter just to see what people are saying.
Yeah, it's probably like mixed opinions and other conclusions because I seen a lot of things on the internet, a lot of different things on the internet. A lot of different radars. Like people are uncertain about this happening. It could or could not happen. We don't know yet.
Yeah. Breaking news: the Yankee game got postponed today.
Yes, of course, because of the bad weather. Yes.
Damn, there's gonna be a double header tomorrow. There's gonna be a game at 12:35, and then a game at I think 7. That's crazy.
I bet 100% you rooting for them to win.
Yeah, hopefully. I'm not surprised it got postponed though.
Yeah, there's a lot of flooding and drainage, clogging around the Bronx and Brooklyn, New Jersey, some in Staten Island, some in Manhattan too, and some in Queens.
That's insane though. 2 games in one day.
Yeah, maybe the two games happened in both separate Yankee stadiums because there's actually two Yankee stadiums.
Ooh, new update on the significant tornado parameter.
What's
Look,
the
right
update?
over. It's a 1 right over Staten Island. Look,
Oh boy,
and
this is
look
very
in
interesting.
green. The Cape might start to be less in Philadelphia. Look, because you see these like little storms, these rain showers that are coming in this area.
Uh huh.
That could maybe limit the event a little bit in southern New Jersey, potentially a little.
I think it will be the same.
Yeah, we just gotta see if these storms will be tornadic. I'm gonna check the other website. First, let me check. Yeah, see, there's not really any areas of rotation as of now.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, are you serious? This radar site's down.
Oh crap!
It last updated at 5:04. Is that crazy? It last updated at 5:04.
Wow. So
Yeah, what a day for. Oh, it better not be down for long. Am I right though? What a day for this thing to go down.
what did you think might have happened to the radar?
All right, some of it just glitches out. I'm gonna check another app to make sure it's not just this app. Do you know how much that would suck? The radar goes down because then we have to look further away.
Uh huh.
Oh my goodness! Look,
Yes.
it's down. Look, it's red.
Oh my god.
Look, it was last updated at 4:09.
Holy. Yeah, a lot of people's gonna be in danger.
Oh my goodness.
A lot of people is gonna be in danger because the radar is down and people can't even see what's going on.
It's the prop. Cause look, Sas, if you go on my screen, we live here, you know. Our
Yes, we
closest
do.
our closest radar is this. We're gonna have to
Hmm.
use this radar. It's further away, but it's not that big of a deal. But what about the people in this area? Oh my gosh, look, I was looking at old video. I was like, no wonder why it's not updating.
A new tornado warning has been
New
issued.
Well,
tornado warning in Pennsylvania.
which part of Pennsylvania?
See, look, because I was wondering, extension.
Tornado warning for North Central Somerset County in South Central Pennsylvania.
Because I was wondering why my GR2 is not updated. You know what I'm saying?
I didn't realize it was down either.
But this is like the worst day for it to go down, by the way.
Wait,
Alright, I'm gonna take a look at Twitter to see. So radar down. I want to see what people are saying. Damn, that's a shame.
you should show on the screen.
A new flash flood warning has been issued.
So look, I'm gonna have to be using this radar for southern Jersey now.
Yeah, you should show Twitter on the screen so you can see what other people are talking about. Cause how did this
Yeah.
happen? That's a pretty big area for it to be down though, right?
Alright, the National Weather Service, I can't show this on stream, I make it copyright, but I'm just gonna read it.
Okay.
The radar is down for unknown reasons. Techs have been notified. Return to service is unknown at this time.
Hmm.
Unbelievable, am I right?
Yeah,
Oh
that's
my
horrible,
goodness.
man. That's horrible.
Because look, you see, now for the radar data here, we have to use this radar. So it's going to make it harder to see any rotation now.
That is disappointing.
So I wonder how this is going to play out now. We're going to have to use this radar. It's way more further, so the radar data might not be as accurate. It's still not going to be that bad, though, but imagine if this radar went down, then we're done.
Yeah, there will be no purpose of this live stream if the other one went down. Imagine all the
For
radars
real.
will go down.
For real. Because look at this. Look, it's harder to look to see if this is accurate. But look, there is a cell moving on through here. Not tornadic as of now. There's a few storms trying to get this up together in Philadelphia.
Yeah.
Man, I can't believe the radar's down. Oh, new update on Cape.
Has it decreased or increased?
Increase 1,877 now.
Yeah, I went up by like 200 more. It was at 1600.
Yeah, even the significant tornado parameter is a 1 out of 11 now, so that's increasing. Man, I can't believe the radar's down. I was wondering why I wasn't getting any updates.
Hmm.
You see, on this app, you have to choose the radar. See, look, there's little small radars you see here.
Yeah,
They're not as accurate, though.
I can tell.
Because look at the difference. See, they don't cover as much. It's really the big radar sites that are the good ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, no rotation as of now. A lot of these storms are heading out to sea, if you notice.
Yeah, like going and turning to sea storms. I wouldn't be
Imagine,
surprised if I turn into water spouts.
yeah, they could actually. You imagine if this was the actual main storms.
That would just be like what?
You
You know,
know,
you know.
you know what's good, these storms? Actually, no, not really good. I mean, if you don't want storms, it's not good because now more clearing and stuff for our area. We've
Yeah.
been live for 34 minutes already.
How is the air quality right now?
Oh yeah, we're due for an update.
A new flash flood warning has been issued.
Oh, I ain't gotten better.
Look, 150.
Okay,
It's
it's going
now
down a little.
unhealthy for sensitive groups. You know that means the storms are probably going to be more severe now, and you could actually probably see them more now.
Yeah.
By the way, still no new mesoscale discussion. Maybe by 6 p.m. They may say like watch issuing soon or something. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
A new
Unless they're
flash
not
flood
really
warning has been
confident.
issued.
But
hopefully there's a big update in like 6
uh,
p.m.
I think this event is gonna be more of a later event than anticipated now.
Yep,
Wait, would you be like annoyed if it happens more towards the nighttime when the sun's setting?
because that's the same time I'm about to go to sleep, and I'm gonna be hearing mad noise outside.
It doesn't get fully dark till like 9 though, so the storm should be here by then. Wait, by what time are you gonna be like maybe they're not gonna issue a watch?
Maybe like after 9.
Yeah, I would say once 8:30 comes, they may not issue a watch. I mean, these storms are looking strong in Pennsylvania. So, I mean, I think these are your main storms. You see all these discrete storms.
Let's see.
These are your main storms.
There's like a lot of cones on the radar.
They look like they're kind of just going south of
A
our
new flash
area,
flood
though.
warning has been issued.
They won't be nothing.
There's some isolate rotation on these storms.
They're like EF zeros.
They're not even on the grounds. Yeah, they're not even tornado warning. Yeah, they're just normal storms, normal thunderstorms now. Wait, this is gonna get tornado warned. Look at that rotation. Yeah, this is gonna get warned. Near
Yes, see.
Marysville, yeah, near St. Mary's
Yeah,
eventually.
Lynch
Yeah, I'm
and James
watching out
City.
for some rotation. You see that, right? That rotation.
It's pretty wild in the same area. 2 days prior, there was hazardous
Air
wildfire smoke in the
quality.
area.
Yeah.
Now it just
I
have
think
tornadoes.
I think we might have went live a little too early.
Yeah, I think we did.
Yeah, you agree?
Yeah, we've been here for mad long already.
We've been here for 37 minutes and nothing really happened. We went live too early.
Yeah, we did.
New severe thunderstorm warning for Jersey approaching Trenton. This seems like one of the stronger storms.
Chris, when
Hey,
is
we have
it? When is
five
it
people
rain?
watching. Thank you. Wait, what?
Chris, when is it rain in our area?
Which area?
Our area in Staten.
Let me get the forecast. I want to see when like the news are estimating these storms to get here.
When they estimated to get here.
Because if you see my screen, there is a storm. I think it probably is gonna go like just south of us. You see,
Uh
but
huh.
this is one of the stronger storms that could well we have to potentially note about. This is probably one of the main storm action. I'm watching out for that.
Do you know
Hey,
what time
sun's
we're gonna be
sun's
getting rain
really
in for
out now.
our? Do you know
Wait, what
what
do you say?
time we're gonna get rain?
Let's see the hour. Like,
Uh,
so estimating strong thunderstorms to get here around 7.
yep, it's 7 o'clock.
76% chance.
Okay.
7 p.m. possibly, and then even 8 p.m. and then 9 p.m. Well, there's a chance for thunderstorms at 11 p.m. to and 10 p.m. I feel like this event is becoming later and later and later. You know what I'm saying?
Mm, yeah.
But we are watching out. you see my radar? There is a new severe thunderstorm for Norristown in Pennsylvania. Gonna be heading straight for to Trenton, New Jersey. And the radar data isn't as good because the radar site went down, so we're looking higher in the sky.
Yeah, right now it's clear, but it's hazy outside. See some of the sky is a little bit cloudy still. Might already see like a little bit
Uh,
of low clouds.
It's still a little hazy.
A new flash flood warning has been issued.
Yeah, it's too hazy. It's hurting my eyes a little bit.
Yeah, so that wildfire smoke is still there. It's going down though, so that's the good news.
Chris, how many viewers do we have in the live stream?
Let me take a look. 3 people.
All right.
I almost think in a few minutes we should end the stream and then maybe come back later when things start to get going.
Yeah, we should do that.
This is almost like a
Like a
this
pre-stream.
this is almost like a I'm starting to live a little longer. This is almost like a pre-stream. And then like the main action. Ooh, new severe thunderstorm warning for Freehold.
Yeah, it's just thunderstorms.
What's an EF? The rating scale. I mean, there's still not even a watch for our area, so
Yeah. Oh,
there are some severe thunderstorm warnings starting to. Well,
yeah,
storms are moving pretty fast. The storm's moving at 35 miles an hour.
that's kind of fast.
I believe they're heading. This one's moving at 30. They're heading just out of our location. No real, maybe some isolated rotation. It's not enough to get tornado warning though. But I am gonna be monitoring these storms. Take a look at this big severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah, it's affecting a lot of wide areas, you
That's
know.
huge. Look at that warning. That's huge.
Yeah, it is.
Who knows
It's
if this heads
clipping.
towards us eventually? Maybe. There's some supercells on a wrong radar site. There's some supercells that we actually have to watch out for.
Hmm.
Let's check up on this tornado warning. Pennsylvania.
See if it got stronger.
Yeah, it got weaker.
Oh, it didn't get stronger. It got weaker.
Probably gonna expire soon, that warning. There's a Philadelphia radar looking at this storm. I guess radar sucks. Hey, that radar just went out too. Never mind. I thought it just went out.
I thought it did.
So I think I'm gonna end the stream, and I think I'm gonna come back potentially later if things kick off.
Yeah, I think you should end the stream right now.
Alright, guys, peace out.